Hi, my name's Miranda from WTI, and today I'm going to be showing you the Apple Magic Keyboard. This thing is something that I use every single day. I love it because I just think it's the perfect size. I love that it's super thin, it's super light. I can easily take it from my desk to the kitchen table, or I can move this thing anywhere. I almost never have to charge it as well, which is something that I really like because I don't typically keep things charged, but I rarely have to charge this. It may be every couple of months, and then when I do, it charges like that, super fast. I like that the keys, they're really easy to type on. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on them to type. I work from home, so I'm always using this like I mentioned. And it's just really comfortable. It really adds to my desk. It looks really nice. So yeah, this is the perfect keyboard for me. And that's my point of view.